Saturday morning, March the 13th, 2021. About 55 degrees, and we should be coming into Griffin, Georgia pretty soon. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you don't like the videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Either way, I'll try to make them interesting. I've had a couple of comments that I'm driving way too fast, slow down. And on some of my videos, I've tried to tell the speed. These cameras have a way of making it look like we're going a lot faster than we are. Like I said, this is US 19, US 41, and Georgia 3. Right now I'm running 42 miles an hour. I don't know what the speed limit is, probably 45. It's supposed to be a very nice day today. Late winter day, late winter Saturday. And it's 2:59 in Griffin, Georgia, right here at least. We'll see if we run across something else. I haven't had a big and tasty or toasted in a long time. If we were to run across a Dunkin' Donut. There's a Burger King. But that Burger King is on the wrong side of the road. Also, people that know me know that I don't normally make left-hand turns. That's where I've got to come back out and make another left-hand turn. Yeah, I know I'm a weird bird. Bird of a different feather. Griffin and Newton, Georgia 16, exit 1 mile. Now, I wanted to go through Griffin, and I think we just took a bypass. Okay, we were on the bypass, had to double back to get back through, actually come through Griffin. This says we're on Georgia 16 headed west. I'm trying to find 19 and 41 south of Business, not the bypass. But this is taking us into Griffin. And I'm doing the best I can to avoid the sun in our eyes, which I came down this road a couple miles. So now we'll be going back into Griffin with the sun at our back, headed west. And I'll try to get you as good a view of Griffin as I can. I hit the boat jangles just at the right time. There wasn't but one person in front of me. 3 pulled in right after I did. Big cemetery there. Trees are budding out. I've had pollen notices on the phone the last couple of days. I don't know if y'all saw that pile of trash up there in the road or not, but I'm glad I stopped. Had nails sticking up out of it. I got it out of the road. Got a brand new set of $800 Michelin, 10-ply Michelins on this van. I do not need them full of nail holes. 100 miles away from my support system. Okay, headed right into Griffin. Get a glimpse of the courthouse there. An old bridge, old steel bridge. We'll have to go over it. We're going to turn and go right face into whatever this big house here is. Looked like there was a nice boulevard up there that I'm going to catch. That noise you hear, if it's not the van making all kind of rattling noises, is me eating. Turn right, go out across that bridge and come right back down into the courthouse there. And Griffin is the county seat of Spalding County. Nice stained glass in that church. Old church, man. Rail yard, 1, 2, 3, 4 engines, a lot of cars. I'm gonna have to stop up here somewhere, and I'm gonna put the GoPro on the side window so that you can see part of that rail yard. We're going to turn left, go back across the bridge, go up that boulevard, come back out here, and then turn around and go back in that boulevard. This Griffin video should be a good video. If y'all like these videos, please like, share, subscribe. Must be part of the old train yard, I guess. It looks like it's going to be a nice, bright, sunny day, so I'm going to be putting the ND4 filter on. We're going to go down here and turn around, come back all the way through, turn around, come back and turn right and go down the rest of that boulevard. Okay, Business South 1941, so. And south, Georgia 155. That's Claremont Road, Kettler Road. Take you all the way up to Chamblee. Look at that big church, First Baptist Church. We'll pull over and let the bumper car by. I guess I'm going to have to change the battery now. It's down to 10%. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera battery, or turn the camera off, change the battery, and then get it cranked back up. Well, like I said, we got pushers behind us. We got I call them bumper cars. I usually pull over and let people by if I can. A lot of times they'll just get right on your bumper, and then if you know where you're going, that's you can put where you've got a place coming up where you can pull off and let them by, but. A lot of these times I don't have a clue where I'm at or where a place is to pull over and let them by. And they get right on my bumper and there's nothing I can do but just wish them a happy drive. I've also been told that I don't stop at stop signs. And a lot of times I don't necessarily stop at a red light. If there's nobody at a stop sign, I'll slow down real slow and I'll look and make sure the law's not around. The same thing with a red light. Why sit there at a red light or a stop sign at an empty intersection where you're just sitting there? So, anyway, just me. Okay, now we're going to turn back around. I'm going to have to edit a bunch of this out on both of these. Trying to run two cameras, a pad, a phone. Pay attention to your driving. Okay. That's an interesting old church. And I know a lot of times I miss some very good stuff. I try not to just blow through places, but I know I miss a lot of very good stuff. And I misspeak quite often too. I'll say something, if you listen close enough, or you may not have to listen close at all, you'll be able to tell that I've said something that is totally wrong. go slow enough. I got two bumper cars again. I'm running 15 miles an hour. I'm trying to go slow enough to where the side camera will get some decent video and pictures. A lot of people parked along here somewhere. This cafe up here must be good. Okay, we're going to turn right here. Boy, look at all the cars lined up down through here. That must be a very good cafeteria. I've got to say that Griffin is much larger than I thought it was. Several of these towns that I've come through are much larger than I thought. Okay, I got two bumper cars. I'm pulling over here at the post office to let them by. That's interesting. Whatever that is for lease. Oh, I gotta go up there. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn around and come back, go back up there. There's an interesting building up there. There's this Iris City Market. Ison House, whatever that is. Dove Down, whatever that is. Maybe the old depot up here. I'm not sure. No, just an interesting old building. I think we'll turn across the tracks here, and that way we'll get to see a little of Griffin's back roads, back streets. Coming soon, Griffin Arts and Antique Crafts and Market. That's a nice place for that. Love that old tin. I love taking pictures of rust. Very interesting. To me, anyway. Okay, that's going to be a pretty good video of Griffin. Let's see if we can't find 19 and 41 South now. Okay, we'll come up here to US 1941 South Business and continue on South Business. Hard enough when you know where you're going to do all this, but when you don't know where you're going, it does make it a little bit more difficult.